Hi, my name is Christine Woods. I want to show you how easy it is to make an appointment with me if you need help. From your class discussions, go to the Ask Your Librarian discussion and click on the link that says Make an Appointment with Me for Help. I also sent you the same information in an email the first week of classes. Click on the link and it will open an app called Calendly. You will choose a 30-minute Zoom meeting. Then you will see a calendar. On the calendar, pick the day and time that you are interested in. You can also change the time zone to your time zone so that the appointment is at the time that you are expecting it to be in your time zone. It will automatically create an appointment showing your time zone, but when I get the information, it will be in my time zone. It's pretty easy. So click on the date and you'll see the different times that are available. If you don't see the time that you would prefer, try another date. So for example, I may or may not be available in the evening, depending on whether I need to teach classes or meet with other students that already have appointments. So if you don't see the time that you want, please click on another day until you get the perfect combination of day and time. Then click on the time and click on confirm. After that, you need to fill in this form. Put your name, please, and be sure that your email is in there correctly. For students, you should have your first name, period, last name, at, and then make sure you have email.stleo.edu. That is the format for students, and be sure you have your St. Leo email. I would prefer that you use that rather than a personal email. It just gives me a little bit of assurance that somebody randomly in the public isn't trying to make an appointment. It's very helpful. Also, if you put your cell phone number in, the app will send you a reminder by email. It will also send you a reminder by text message. Then you're going to click on Schedule Event, and it will automatically send an email to you with the Zoom link and that you will click on when it's time to meet. And it will also send the Zoom link to me and automatically put it on my calendar. And then we will meet on that day and time. If you have any technical problems, you can contact me by email. I usually try to keep an eye out for those kinds of emails close to appointment times. So I hope that helps, and I hope to see you all soon. If you need help, I'd be happy to meet with you.